Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing an iPhone-style emoji keyboard app on your Android. Download a well-rated app that explicitly includes Apple emoji images. Once installed, open the app and download the iOS emoji pack it provides. This step supplies the Apple glyphs you want. Make sure you allow the minimal permissions the app requests to activate the keyboard. Do not sideload fonts or use unknown APKs. This method keeps your device safer while giving you the iPhone emoji look. Next, you enable and select the new keyboard in Android settings. Go to Languages and Input, pick Virtual Keyboard, then enable the installed iPhone emoji keyboard. Once enabled, grant full access only if the app needs it to send image-based emoji. After that, open any messaging app, tap the globe or keyboard icon to switch keyboards, and choose the installed keyboard. Now you can tap Apple-style emoji. Some apps will send them as images or stickers, preserving the iPhone look across platforms. To finish, set the iPhone-style keyboard as your default if you want quick access, and test sending emoji to different contacts. If recipients see boxes, switch the keyboard to image or sticker mode. That forces delivery as graphics, not system glyphs. Once done, make sure to clear cache or reinstall the app if the emoji pack fails to load. If problems persist, uninstall and try a different reputable keyboard. This is the practical, non-root way to get iPhone emoji on Android.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.